Welcome to the New Age. This your guy Datwan. This is
LJ's view, like father, like
son. And let's get straight into it. The stock market is heating up yet again. All you see is red, red, red. And I know it's Christmas time, so you're prone to see red, but you're prone to also see some green during Christmas, and it's not looking green today. But we got some very interesting things that's happening in the stock market, but in the economy at large. We got our first new variant case in California today, and the market reacted pretty heavily to it. But not only that, we got, at a record pace, CEOs and insiders of some of the biggest businesses in America selling. And this reminds us of how it was back in 2020 when CEOs was stepping down. Jack Dorsey just stepped down yesterday, and CEOs and senators was even selling out of their stock right before coronavirus hit in 2022. All of a sudden, we have a stock market sell-off from the biggest CEOs. We got CEOs leaving, stepping down, and now it's starting in another COVID variant. It's starting to look like 2020 all over again. Play the clip.
Record year for insider stock sales. According to Insider Score, CEOs and insiders have unloaded $69 billion in stock so far this year. That's up 28% over last year's total and up 80% over the 10-year average. Now, we're likely to see even more sales in December. That tends to be a big month for tax selling. Much of this is being driven by the super sellers. Elon Musk now up to $10 billion in his sales, with about half going to those options-related taxes and the rest for a straight cash out. Jeff Bezos also at around $10 billion for the year. That's flat with last year, but 5 times his 2019 sales. The Waltons also big sellers of Walmart with about $6 billion, followed by Mark Zuckerberg. Now,
as you can see, folks, it appears that history is repeating itself. They often say that, it may not repeat itself, but it often rhymes. I don't know what it is, but it looks all the same to me.
It's looking the same. We had AMC down over 15%. We had the UVXY, I believe, I don't know what the percentage was, but it was up over $21 today. And again, on Friday, last week, we said UVXY may be a good investment for you with everything that's going on in December. That was because of the variant, and now we're seeing all these catalysts that can affect the market drastically happen in December as well. We got the debt ceiling we just talked about. We got inflation still rising. We got CEOs selling out, stepping down, and now the variant all combining into one big crash that we may be seeing right now.
Folks, pack your bags, get on the ship or the train, because it's leaving for Georgia. I think the best advice or the best strategy in this climate and environment would be to do what the CEOs and politicians are doing. Follow the money. Get liquid, because everything you thought Good Friday and Cyber Monday or Black Friday and Cyber Monday was sales, you ain't seen nothing yet. Go back to March of 2020, and then that'll tell you what you got, the potential opportunity to look forward to. Everything's going on sale. People got wealthy in the last crash.
Right.
It's another opportunity right under our noses. If you strategically position yourselves, you can make buku cash in this climate.
Out the wazoo. And again, I think it's good. You see us, we smiling. This is a good day for us. We're not going to let the markets determine and fix our mood. It's important for investors to look at red days as green days, and green days as red days. We have to have a psychological flip. This is a good opportunity to buy the dip. This is a good opportunity to, get cash heavy and see strategically where you can put your money at to protect it and also gain, but also not lose. We just said in our last video, sometimes it's just good to stay parked, stay off the road. And now we're seeing that play out. Recently, we did a video on New Age Trust, our Instagram page, talking about what may be the best strategy moving forward. It was a video, it was clipped by you, and it was just talking about going cash heavy, going liquid. And you said that's one of my biggest strategies. And
which it is,
and which I can reap the rewards right now if I strategically strategically place my liquidity in the right places. I saw this coming on Friday. It was a crazy market. I said it's time to protect the bag. It's time to protect the bag, and now I can secure the bag in the future due to this dip. With that being said, this is the new age. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think about what's happening in the market in America at scale. We're out, we're in, we're out, we're in, we're out, we're out, we're in. Welcome to the new age.